Hello everyone, now I will show you how to bake the textures for my metal damage shader, but you can proceed the same procedure for any material you have. I'm using default monkey object as an example. Quantity of subdivides for a warehouse, viewport and render should be the same, let it be 3 for example. Then I'm entering shading tab and creating new material. Then I'm attaching my metal damage shader through the append button. Then I'm entering render mode and toggling the cycles render engine. And setting up my material. After that, I'm adding image texture node. Since diffuse map called albedo, name image texture as albedo as well. I'm using 1024 pixels here, but you can use any resolution as you want. Enter the bake tab on the right and select diffuse as a bake type. Make sure you turn off direct and indirect here. Quantity of render samples not give you much quality if it's already equal or more than 16, so you can just enter 16 here to reduce the render time. The last thing you have to do is to select the node which will contain the texture you want to bake. After that, tap the bake button on the right. When the baking is done, create 3 new image texture nodes, name it roughness, glossy and normal. Select the roughness node, change the bake type to roughness and tap the bake button. Do the same thing with glossy node and normal mode, like you selecting glossy, changing the bake type to glossy and tapping the bake button. The same with normal. Selecting normal, change the bake type to normal, tap the bake button. Now to demonstrate the bake results, I will create principled BSDF and material output. Then I'm attaching albedo to the base color, roughness image to the input roughness, and metallic input is inverted glossy. So before attaching it, I'm adding the invert node, and only after that I'm attaching glossy fluid to metallic input. Here I'm creating the normal map node because normal image should be attached to normal input through the normal map. To reduce any possibility of visual bugs, be sure to save your blend file and all the images. After that, I'm changing color space of normal image to non-color. And it's done. You have finished the baking of material setup.